Another location about to be rolled out. Just came up to prepare these machines. Got to put the car readers on. You see the changes being loaded up. So everybody don't see the behind the scenes on how this business is being ran. There's a lot that you got to put into it. And that's why I tell you to sign up for that 10-step Just Right Vending Masterclass, because as you can see, we're in a warehouse preparing our machines to go out. And you know, it takes a lot of time and effort to do this. So make sure y'all tap in with me and see how this game go. Feel me? This is what it takes. It's what we do. Tap in with your boy. 10-step Just Right Vending Masterclass. Peace.